call me Teacher Kisha.
Good afternoon, class. I am Christina Cassandra E. Magdugo. You can call me Teacher Tin.
Good afternoon, class. My name is Marisol Kali. You can call me Teacher Mira.
Good afternoon, class. I am Henrenzi Gonzalo Larso. You can call me Teacher Renz.
Before we start our lesson, may I call Miss Angeline to lead the prayer?
Angel of God. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here. Ever this day, be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen.
Before we start, I want you to remain stand because we are about to energize ourselves. Are you ready, class? Okay. You may now be seated. When I call your name, just say present. Roberto, present. Ronaldo, present again. Angelita, Rosalinda. Okay, all of you are present today. Very good. Do we have an assignment, class? Okay, class. Let's proceed to our topic. Our topic is all about male and female reproductive system. May I call Teacher Mira to explain what is our objectives.
Okay, our objective today is, at the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to identify the male and female reproductive system and their functions. B. Label the parts of the male and female reproductive system. C. Show appreciation on the structure and capabilities of male and female reproductive system. Okay, class, let's review our previous topics, which is changes undergone by boys and girls during puberty. Okay, class, I have some strips and I'll call some students to put it appropriate comment. Okay, Roberto, what is this, male or female? Okay, very good. This is female. Please say child. Okay. How about this? Rosenda. Okay, very good. This is both male and female. How about broadening of shoulders and hips? Okay, class, very good. This is female. Again, what is this? Chains of boys. Okay, very good, class. This is on male. Okay. Another one is wet dreams. Okay, very good. This is male. Last one is enlargement of breast. Okay, very good, Rosenda. This is on female. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
To leave a legacy, humans pass on their genes, the molecular units of human identity, through reproduction. This is possible through the reproductive system. The human reproductive system is a group of organs that performs function through which new individuals are produced. Unlike other body systems, the reproductive system is unique for a specific sex. The male reproductive system is different in structure and function in the female reproductive system. First, by looking at the person, you can tell whether it is a male or a female. This is because males and females have difference in their body structures. The human reproductive system consists of a set of organs which produces the sex cell necessary for reproduction. Included in this system are the organs of the body which help in making fertilization possible. Apart from the organs which produce the sex cells, other organs make sure that the male sex cell and the female sex cell meet to form one fertilized egg cell. For today's lesson, you will be able to describe the parts of the male reproductive system and their functions. What are the different parts of male reproductive system? But first, we will read what is male reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists of a number of sex organs that play a role in the process of human reproduction. These organs are located on the outside of the body and within the pelvis. The male reproductive system is made up of external and internal parts. First, in the external parts is what we call the penis. I will show you the illustration or the diagram where is the penis located. This is what we call the penis. This one. Penis is the male organ for sexual intercourse. The next one is the scrotum. It is the loose pouch-like sac of the skin that hangs behind the penis. It holds the testicles, also called the testes, as well as many nerves in the blood vessels. This is what we call the testicle. This one. Okay, next is the epididymis. Epididymis is a long coiled tube that rests on the backside of each testicle. It carries and stores sperm cells that are created in the testes. Epididymis is also the job of the epididymis to bring the sperm to maturity. So this is the epididymis, the back what we call at the back side of the testicle. This is what we call the epididymis. Next one is the vas deferens. Vas deferens is a long muscular tube that travels from the epididymis into the pelvic cavity to just behind the bladder. The vas deferens transports mature sperm to the urethra in preparation for ejaculation. This is the vas deferens. Dito siya nasa baba siya ng pelvic cavity. And then next one is the ejaculatory ducts. These ducts are formed by the fusion of the vas deferens and the seminal vesicles. The ejaculatory ducts empty into the urethra. This is what we call the ejaculatory ducts. This one. And next is the urethra. Urethra is the tube that carries urine from the bladder to outside of your body. This is the urethra. This one. This is the urinary bladder. The line from this up to this. Ito yung dinadaanan ng ating ihi. From urinary bladder, dadaan siya dito sa urethra. Next is the seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles are sac-like pouches that attach to vas deferens near the base of the bladder. The seminal vesicles makes a sugar-rich fluid or fructose that provides sperm with a source of energy and helps with the sperm's ability to move motility. The fluid of the seminal vesicles makes up most of the volume of your ejaculatory fluids or ejaculate. This one is the seminal vesicles. Dito siya, napapaloob din siya sa ating urinary bladder. Dito siya, nasa tabi lang, nasa tabi. And next one is the prostate gland. Prostate gland is a walnut-sized structure that's located below the urinary bladder in front of the rectum. The prostate glands contribute additional fluid to the ejaculate. Prostate fluids also help to nourish the sperm. Okay, yung prostate fluids na nasa prostate gland, tumutulong siya help to nourish the sperm. This is the prostate gland, this one. This one, prostate gland. Ito siya. Nasa below siya ng urinary bladder natin. And ang mga fluids dito is nag-help to nourish the sperms of the male. Next one is the bulbourethral glands. Bulbourethral glands are pea-sized structure located on the sides of the urethra, just below the prostate gland. This gland produces a clear, slippery fluid that empties directly to the urethra. This one is what we call the bulbourethral glands. nag-produce ito ng clear and slippery fluid. Kung napapansin yung mga boys, di ba, siguro, napapansin nyo din yan sa inyo na may mga fluids na lumalabas siguro sa inyo, pero slippery and clear lang siya. And the male reproductive system also has three functions. This is to help you urinate, syempre, rid your body of fluid waste materials. Next is to have sexual intercourse. Syempre naman, hindi talaga yan mawawala sa mga lalaki pag mature na sila. And last is to make children. Okay class, what are the different parts of the male reproductive system? We have the penis, scrotum, testicles or testes, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory ducts, urethra, seminal vesicles, prostate glands, and vulvareuteral glands.
Okay, so now class, we are going to talk about the female reproductive system. Okay? So who among you have idea of what is female reproductive system? Yes, Ricardo? Okay, very good. So female reproductive system is made up of the internal and external sex organs that function in the reproduction of new offspring. New offspring, ito yung tinatawag natin na newborn baby. So, what are the parts of the female reproductive system? So, first is vagina. Okay, please read, Rolando. Okay, very good. The vagina is a canal that joins the cervix to the outside of the body, also known as the birth canal. So, birth canal kasi ito yung nilalabasan ng bata. Also called channel for delivering of a newborn baby from the uterus. Also vagina allowing us for menstruation and intercourse. So, any idea of what is menstruation? Yes, Miss? Okay, very good. Menstruation is a normal vaginal bleeding that occurs as a part of a woman's monthly cycle. Ito yung nangyayari every month sa mga babae which is called menstruation. So, intercourse. What is intercourse, class? Any idea? Okay. Intercourse, ito yung physical sexual contact between individual that involves the genitalia of at least one person. Okay, next is uterus. The uterus is a hollow, pear-shaped organ that is the home to a developing fetus. So, uterus is also called a womb or ito yung, kung sa Tagalog, ito yung bahay bata ng mga kababaihan. Dito na fertilize and na-develop yung bata at dito na nourish and house of a fertilized egg until the fetus or offspring is ready to deliver. Next is the ovaries. So ovaries are small oval-shaped glands that are located on either side of the uterus, produce eggs and hormones. So sa ovaries, dito na-produce yung egg cells and nade-develop. Sa ovaries, dito lumalabas yung ating egg cells patungo sa fallopian tube. So, during ovulation, one of your ovaries release an egg. If a sperm fertilized this egg, you became pregnant. So, what is ovulation? Ovulation. Okay, class, any idea? Yes? So, ovulation, ito yung process which is a matured egg is released from the ovary. So, ayun, kapag lalabas yung egg cells sa ovary, pupunta na siya sa fallopian tube. Kapag nandoon yung tinatawag na sperm cell at magpa-fertilize sila, ito yung tinatawag na zygote. But, kapag walang sperm cell, And kapag yung egg cell ay lalabas sa ovary, pupunta na sa fallopian tube, ito yung tinatawag na natin na menstruation. Next is the fallopian tube. These are narrow tubes that are attached to the upper part of the uterus and serve as pathways for the ova to travel from the ovaries. So, this is the example of fallopian tube. Ito yung nagko-connect sa ovary patungo sa uterus, which is eggs pass from the ovaries to a fallopian tube patungo sa uterus. Kapag sinasabing uterus, tandaan natin na ito yung passageway ng egg cell patungo sa fallopian tube papuntang uterus. Okay, next. Cervix. The cervix is the lower portion or the neck of the uterus. So, ito yung cervix. So, ito ang example ng cervix. It connects the uterus and the vagina. It is also called the neck of the uterus kasi as we look at the picture, mukha siya talagang neck. Okay, so to summarize, vagina involves a sexual intercourse. Uterus, dito nabubuo yung fetus bago siya ma-deliver. Ovaries, ito yung nagproduce ng egg cell. Fallopian tube, also called as the passageway. Cervix, then ito yung neck of the uterus. So, okay, tingnan natin ang picture. Did you understand yung summary at yung process ng female reproductive system? Okay, very good class.
What are the parts of male and female reproductive system? For the male, we have prostitute glands, ejaculatory ducts, seminal vesicle, bulbourethral glands, epidermis, testicles, scrotum, penis, urethra, and vas deferens, and urinary bladder. For male, fallopian tube, uterus, ovary, cervix, and vagina, ovary. Okay, I will call a name and you will answer the question. First question. What do we call the monthly process of unfilterized egg from the uterus wombs of female? Mr. Pablo? Okay, tama. Menstruation. Menstruation. Mr. Dexter, what is the term that refers to the union of sperm and egg cell? Fertilization, tama, Mr. Dexter. What do you call the male reproductive organ? Alveolus. Penis. Okay, tama. What is the tiny male cell that unites with the female ovule from a fertilized egg or zygote? Sperm cell. Tama, Matthew. Okay. Some women experience hormonal imbalance that can cause delay. Ibig sabihin, hindi lahat ng babae normal yung menstruation or monthly lang dinanatnan.
Okay class, for your next activity, I want you to group yourself into two and answer this activity. There's a picture here of the female and male reproductive system, and I want you to identify what is the part of its system. And in letter B, you must arrange the Scrabble words. Okay, so fast, Rodolfo.
And now, this will be the end of our topic. For your assignment, I want you to draw the male and female reproductive system and write the things on how you take care of your female or male reproductive system. And you will be passed it tomorrow. Okay, class, you may now stand up. Mr. Rodolfo, you may now lead the prayer. Good day.